Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am so excited because it is the beginning of the Halloween season, and I know it is the end of September. I get it, I understand, but to me that is the beginning of Halloween season. So every Wednesday starting today, I am going to be doing a Halloween inspired look, whether it is a look to create a costume around or just something that I thought was interesting while perusing the internet. Again, starting today and every Wednesday until November, you're going to be seeing a new Halloween type inspired look. We'll still be doing story time and makeup every other Friday, so there are going to be a couple weeks where you're going to see 2 videos from me. Hopefully you guys like them. I don't know. I'm really excited to do this. So we are going to jump into today's look. And today's look is going to be an old and young inspired look. So let's jump right in. Oh, I want to know what your favorite holiday is. Is it Halloween? Is it Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite holiday might be. I'm not gonna put the foundation all the way over on the other side because I kind of want the other side to be a little less perfect. So my blotchiness, my wrinkles, I want all of that to kind of show. I will try to always put the products that I use down in the description box below. More than likely I'm going to forget, so if there's anything that you guys want to know as to the products that I use in my videos, just ask me in the comments below and I'll be happy to tell you, because I know I'm going to forget to do that. We got the glam side done. Now we're going to start working on making this side look much older than I am. Okay, so first what we want to do is kind of, I guess, map out how we want to do this, because I'm going to be using a lot of like pencils and shadow to make the wrinkles and stuff like that on that side. First I'm going to take some eyeshadow and kind of darken up that eyelid. And I'm kind of going to darken up this inner corner part a little more. To really deepen that inner like socket area. I'm going to start deepening up. So we got that part looking the way we want it to look. And I'm going to just kind of start adding shadow. I'm going to add some shadows up on my forehead, down where my jawbone is, and then on my smile lines. I'm going to kind of deepen up that area a little bit. Again, just to reiterate what I'm doing here, I'm just adding some shadowing and some depth to the older part of the look. We're going to add some more details and whatnot in a little bit. I'm going to finish up some of the shadowing and we'll start adding a little bit more color and lines and stuff like that. As you see, we're trying to make the older side look a little more skeletal, I guess is what I would call it. So I'm just adding some shading in some areas that I would think, I don't know, kind of gives more of that like older skeletal type of look. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some lines to make some wrinkles and kind of exaggerate the old skeletal look on this side. I'm going to start with my eyebrow because I want to kind of fill my eyebrow in a little bit with white, make it look like my hair has turned. Now I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner pencil and kind of add some lines and, well, on this side, lines and wrinkles. We are going to blend these little marks and whatnot in once we're done drawing them on. I'm just going to take a small brush and define some of these lines, and then we're going to add a little bit of highlight there as well. Okay, here is the final look, and I really think this turned out good for the very first time I've ever done something like this. So here it is. That is our look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really think this could be a really cool costume if you had, like, maybe put some, you know, white or gray hairs in here with your hair, and maybe like doll this side up a little bit more. You guys could like totally do a half old, half, you know, new type of costume. I really think this would be a cool costume. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, remember to click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload a video. Leave a little Halloween emoji in that comment section so I know that you are here. Hope you guys enjoyed my very first look for the 2021 Halloween season. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.